handlebars.
We're all going to be in number 2. Wait, did you bring the gun from Men in Black when you shoot the aliens?
Alright, you gotta make sure to pedal, okay? Come on, pedal, pedal, pedal. Gotta move.
They're getting away. Unit 3, cut them off. The orange light. I see him. Come on, let's.
Hi. Oh, is that the truck from Jurassic Park? Whoa!
Oh! Hold it right there. Whoa!
Yeah, I forgot how loud this thing is.
Bottom of the hill. Whoa! Watch it!
Get away! Look, they're flying!
Wow. This supposed to be like California or something?
I don't know.
Yeah. Alright, cover your ears because it's going to be a really loud bang. Yeah. Alright.
Yelling.
Yeah.
E.T. Go to Tickly. Hurry.
Ew. Ugh.
E.T. Go home. Tickly. Ouch.
Welcome home. You returned to us.
Poor dog.
Welcome home. You
That dog.
You have saved our planet! Come, celebrate with us!
I don't want to. I'm gonna kick you.
Goodbye, Crystal, Riley, Dave, Beatrice, Friend, Luna, Erica, Connor, Saw, Sonia, Ada.
Yeah, I think he did. Aw. He wasn't
Please
happy
remain
about what
seated,
you said about
keeping
him.
hands and feet inside the vehicle until you are asked to exit.
Oh. Okay. Alrighty then. That was loud.
Toy closet.